Lately, I've been struggling with my YouTube channel and my business because I feel like I've been all over the place. I haven't been doing things on time and I don't even have like proper deadlines. And this has affected me a lot. Sometimes I feel like, okay, I'm catching up with work and I'm really on track. And then there's times where I feel like I'm really overwhelmed and I haven't really progressed. And then I feel like I can't really do anything now. So I realized that this was a lack of managing my projects and also just being more organized. So the tool that I'll be using today, I've been using it for quite a while now, about just over a week, and it's been really working well for me. So I want to show you what I'm doing with this tool. It's called Fluent Boards, and I'm going to show you how I'm using it on sitecrafter.com. So on my side here, I have 4 major things that I work on. So the first thing is my to-do list. This is where I just list the things that I need to do, whether it's responding to an email, whether it's sending a text message, whatever it is that I need to do on the day. That's going to be on my to-do list. Next, I have this content creation list. So there are times where I feel like, okay, what video do I create? And it really overwhelms me, and I end up not doing even a video. So this list here is helping me because I know now, okay, I need to create a video where I need to a how-to video on how to sell digital products. So as you can see, it's right here. So I have these 3 stages here. So if I am working on the video, I'll just drag it and add it over here. And now if I open this, I can see that I'm working on something. And this gives me actually a good feeling that, okay, I have things organized here and I am working on something. When it's completed, it comes over on this completed list here. All right, so let's go back to the boards here. Next, I also have partnerships. Now, partnerships is very important for me because this is where I get to work with software companies when they need me to create a review video for them. So here you can see I have ZipWP, how I manage my tasks in my agency. This is the video that I'm actually doing right now. So you can see here, it's in progress. Over here, I have upcoming videos. I have some videos I'm doing for LearnDash. I have Airlift review. I also have SEO writing AI review. I also have LearnDash 4. So as you can see here, I have some dates and these haven't passed yet. Now over here, you can see I have a completed tab. So once this video is done, I just add it over here to my completed. And then once it's approved, now in this case, this is my video here, but once it's approved, then it comes over here on the list. So this is the email I would get from a client saying, okay, the video is good. Or if it's not good, I may get an email saying, hey, you know what? You may need to make some changes here and there and so on. And then that's when I get to work on it. But if it's not approved, then it comes back over here on the completed and then I can work on it. So as you can see, so far, this is a tool that's really powerful, but you have to stick to it for this to work. Now, so far, I've been on point. I've been working really hard to follow this. So every morning I log in and I take a look at this and see how I'm progressing. And over here on the reports, I also take a look here and see how I am performing. So here you can see I have incomplete, it's quite a lot. Overdue, I actually have 6 tasks and then I've completed over here 3 tasks. So I also get a bird's eye view of what is really happening here on my site. In fact, this is, okay, it's a site, but this is my business actually, where I can get to see what is working. Now, this is not only going to end here because I also have Divi University, and this is where I also need to create something similar, which I can share now with the community because there's a lot of you that joined the lifetime membership. So I know that at least you need to see what's coming up, the dates and so on. So I can constantly go back there, have a look at that, and then I can obviously have a look and see what is coming up. So I will be doing another video on Divi University because I've been quiet for a while on Divi University. Like I've mentioned before, the reason for that is I've been waiting for Divi 5 because it's been really promising. I feel like if I do Divi 4 videos, then pretty much very soon I'll be doing Divi 5. So it's a lot of folk that would have gone into that, but I am going to be putting a poll to discuss what's the best way forward. If I need to create, or if majority of you want me to create videos on, say, Divi 4, then I'll go ahead and do that because obviously this is your entitlement. This is what you paid for. Divi University is going to be the channel that has all those videos. So I feel like this tool, Fluent Boards, needs to be added to any website that has some sort of delegation or task based, which I assume most websites do. So this is a very, very important tool, and I highly recommend that you go ahead and check it out. I'll leave a link to that in the video description below. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.